How to see my BVN on the First Bank app. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, download the app from App Store or Play Store. Register yourself and get a username and passcode. Log in by putting your username and password. Now after that, simply find your BVN on the dashboard. You can easily look for your BVN as it is made up of 11 digits. What other ways can you use it? You can see your BVN online by following the steps that I'll mention in this video. First of all, open up any web browser and then visit firstbanknigeria.com. Log into your user ID with your username and passcode. Input the verification code and confirm it. Press next and then you can see the BVN on the dashboard. Next one is USSD code. You can use a USSD code to see your BVN. Dial *565*O#. In a few seconds, an 11-digit number will be displayed on your screen. And that's your BVN. So that's for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.